What up, YouTube? It's your boy John. I know my eyes are all freaking watery. It's cold. Oh shit! It's cold. We're gonna get snow today. It's not even snowing yet, but we are gonna get snow. I have to go to the shop to go set up my car with the plow. I gotta get my truck ready. Gotta get my guys ready real quick too, so they could like find out what time I'm gonna pick them up today. Supposed to be snowing at 10 for a little bit, and then when it starts picking up, it should be like around 12, 1. I don't think they're gonna call me until like 2. Oh, my power steering is bad. But I don't think they're gonna call me until like 2 and stuff. I can see my breath. But I did brush my teeth, so my breath should be nice and clean. But anyways, hopping off edge again. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comment below what you guys really want to see, what you guys want me to do. Let's pick up the subscribers real quick so I could bring you some more content, some real life content and stuff. Maybe I could go live one day, watch everybody's comments, and then as soon as everything's done, and then I try to upload these videos, I'll reply to your guys' comments and stuff. I'm not gonna let you guys down. You guys are just like family, you know, supporting me, and I'll support you guys. But I gotta go 20 miles an hour. I was gonna go 30, but now ski skirt 20. There's usually a car right here that is parked that would just like give out tickets, but he ain't there. He called me one time. He usually posts up right here, but he ain't here today. So I'm not really tripping. Look at these protesters. Are they still protesting? They still are protesting. Look at I get to get them this time because I didn't leave at 5 o'clock. It's already like, it's gonna be 8 o'clock early in the morning. But look at these protesters. Look at these protesters. Look at these protesters. I'm honking for them too. I'm honking for them. But I don't know. I guess they deserve more money. Never knock off somebody's crime. You know what I mean? People come over here to work hard and stuff, and then they get told, they get like bullied in there because these customers think that they know it all. Look at this idiot. But the customers think they know it all and stuff, and usually it's just the employees that know it all. It's not us that we know it all. We don't know stuff. We just go with the flow. But anyways, we're on feds. Supporters to King Supers. I go to Kings all the time. Oh, that was an ugly ass looking truck. But anyways, guys, there ain't nothing happening on feds. If there is, I'll make sure I'll turn on my camera and stuff. But I'll holler at you guys at the next one. So when we took the truck that I take out from plowing, we took it yesterday. Look at it. Muddy. They dirtied my truck, but it's alright. I ain't got the plow on it yet, but we're gonna get that up with the plows. Wish I could drive that big fucker. Excuse my language. That big sucker right there. Or I got this one right here. I don't want to show about nothing else, but it's the truck. Gotta make sure everything's in place. 1, 2, 3 shovels. Look at that, some brand new wheels on that. Damn. gotta check if all my lights work. But we've been taking this truck, but gotta make sure because it's snowing. Don't want to get stuck. Lights work. Lights work. My bad, y'all. This is what I do. Check everything. Alright guys, I'll get back to y'all as soon as I put on my plow. Alright, getting everything set up, got the plow on. I'm gonna get these lights fixed right here, then front and back. Gonna get ready for the snow. Look at, here comes the snow. The back one. Maybe just the front. Maybe both of them, if you can. But check me out on YouTube. Please and thank you. I appreciate it. You guys are my fan and everything like that. So I'll holla at you. We're gonna be back at it again. What up, YouTube? It's your boy John once again. Keep saying that I love that road. But anyways. We're ready, we're plowed. I got the truck don't work, damn radio don't work. Well, it does. But we're ready, here comes the snow. We're ready for the snow. So, just tune in. I'm gonna shoot another little video tonight. Once it starts snowing, I'll start vlogging. But check me out, and I'll check at you again. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny once again. I'm not done shooting my video due to the fact that it stopped snowing, and I'm not even in my Magnum, bro. I'm in the wifey's car right now, bro. But it quit snowing. It didn't even snow much. All it did was just sprinkled all kinds of little snowy flurs, and then that was it. Watch. Look at the truck. Look at, it's all clean. It's all nice. Come on now. But I'm up in the wifey's truck, the wifey's car. But this is the end of my video. If I do go out, I'll shoot the video. But if I don't, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you guys want me to do for video content and all that other good stuff. We'll check you guys back on another video. Yeah. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny. Well, I'm in the truck right now, as you can tell, but on my way to go drop it off. Here comes the wifey. But on my way to go drop off the truck, everything's good. Life is good. Life is great. Positive vibes all the time. But this is the next day, about to drop it off. Thanks for tuning and watching. Sorry that I couldn't get no content for you guys off of this snow. But you guys check me out, and I'll catch you guys on the long run. So I'm gonna put the plow down. Trying to hook it up. Get back to the truck. Pull it up. Get it pulled up to that one. There's another branch. Processing, but I'll get back to y'all. Just here wiping off the snow off the car, off the Magna, rolling with bad tags, rolling with bad tags. Thought I parked it alright, but I still have snow on it. It's alright, it ain't that much. People won't cry, oh, you got snow on my car. Some people don't cry. Well, they don't take off all the snow off the car. Well, I do, so. Don't cry, just don't cry. But anyways, guys, taking it all off. Just dropped that off. Took off the plow off the truck. So now I'm just gonna drop it off. Get my little video going on. Alright guys, so I'll just take y'all back as soon as possible. But y'all have a good one. It's the next day, Saturday, or Friday. But I don't know how these videos go, so drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get these numbers up and then we'll get more content. You feel me? It's my lifestyle. That's how people come up, right? Right. But, alright guys, we'll check these.